My name is Binta Tiri. I am 50 years plus. Yes, I've been working for the past 25 years. I believe I've gathered enough experiences to share with other people on YouTube. Yes, especially those that are older that are interested in starting their life on the social media. Not only that, they are young and upcoming people, and I have enough experience to share with them. My channel, Life Plan Tips, talks about personal finance. When I say personal finance, what do I mean? I mean, we talk about budgeting, savings, investing to increase your income in order to retire early. Why retire early, you will say? Well, you retire early in order to reap the benefit of health, yes, the benefit of traveling around the world, yes, the benefit of enjoying your family, spending time together with your family, the benefit of starting a new business, yes. You can retire from your work to start a new business. I've been working for the past 25 years and I've gathered so much experiences which I can pass it on to other people or even start my own business. For now, I am still working, right? But I have started this YouTube channel so that I will know where I want to go to and I will have a focus in whatever thing I want to do. Please like and subscribe my channel so that we can have this growth together. Again, please like Life Plan Tips so that we can gather together.